My people, update na-elute anya aka kịta bụ na-echi niile ka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ya ebido defense ya na echi niile ka ọ ya aba defense. Ịmara last time eje court elulu na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu defeat to stand trial according to Justice Omotoso based on reports ndị Nigerian Medical Association present na ha enenesiena ya arụ wee fụ na ihe ọ na-aya abụghị a life threatening something, so na defeat to stand trial. A wee na-ekwuzi kịta na onye bụ lead attorney Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bụ barrister Aloy Ejimakor na ọ ka nọ na Kuje prison. Onye bụkwa ndị key witness Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bụ younger brother ya bụ Prince Kanu na onye nke a ka nọkwa na Kuje prison. So ndị lawyers ya wee na-ekwu na the moment ha na-eji barrister Aloy na nwanne Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na ha dere akwụkwọ degalụ Inspector General of Police degakwalụ Attorney General of the Federation ka ama ka a esi wee release ha na-abụ because na ha na-abụ bụ the main key people Mazi Nnamdi Kanu need iji wee kwado wee banye defense ya echi niile. And ka edesede akwụkwọ onweghọ azachiri ha azachie mgbe ha ji wee na-elutezi na Kuje Magistrate Court. O wee bụ na ndị uwe ojii na ndị na-ebe a edulugo ha duba ha n'ime Kuje prison wee kwuzie n'otel Friday ka ya amakwa ihe anyị ekpezi maka ha. So na ka o si wee gbatakwụlụ kịta na amahọ ma ya bụ court Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nwere echi oye hold ka ọ nọ ya hold. So according to Sowore ihe ọ dezere ebe a kịta ka m chọrọ ka m gụpụtala unu. So wee sị today, we proceeded to Kuje Magistrate Court, where the Nigerian Police Force, under the leadership of illegal IGP Kayode Egbotukon, hastily arraigned Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lead counsel, Aloy Ejimakor, and his brother Fineboy, and 11 others. However, the magistrate had already remanded them in Kuje prison until Friday, before their attorneys arrived at the magistrate court. #free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So after court drop see this one ka ọ bịazi wee kwuzie si they told Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to open his defense. Yet his lead attorney Aloy Ejimakor and the key witness and the younger brother were arrested, beaten, taken to Kuje and held in Kuje prison until Friday. This is an orchestrated scheme. So ụmụnne m after court drop see this one ka ọ bịazi wee dezie nke ọ dị kịta ọsị urgent. We have been informed that plans are allegedly in place at Kuje prison to harm Mazi Nnamdi Kanu younger brother Fineboy and Aloy Ejimakor, his special counsel, inside Kuje prison by special order assigned by Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Ụmụnne m nke a was the last one ọ dọrọ ọpụzi ndị mmadụ wee na-asị kedụzi ihe na-eme.
Ekene m ụnụ ọlọlọ Nneka Chimezie na-ekwu anyị ka na-ewetara ụnụ ọnọdụ Igbo ebe anyị na ugbu a bụ na Kuje Magistrate Court ebe anyị bịara maka ịhapụ onye ọkaikpe Nnamdi Kanu na nwanne ya nwoke bụ Emmanuel, onye ọkaikpe Nnamdi Kanu bụ barrister Aloy Ejimakor na nwanne ya nwoke bụ Emmanuel, na anyị bịara na protest, peaceful protest nke this our president bụ onye isi ya. Anyị ma far back in 2014 otu ha ji wee protest ya agbala ha nkịtị, mana tata a na-anakwazi the people of Nigeria ime peaceful protest ebe anyị na ụgbọ ahụ na Kuje Magistrate Court dịka m si wee kwuo na mbụ ndị anyị na ha na ebe a bụ lawyer Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na nwanne anyị nwoke nwanne dị na mba ọhịa anyị ga-eti ya nwanne dị na mba Mazi barrister Sowore
the next president.
The next president. Onye ọkaikpe nna anyị ukwu ga-agwa ụnụ okwu kọwatara ụnụ ihe mbọ ha na-agba ịhụ na a hapụrụ ndị ejiji nna anyị ukwu.
Yes. Ame ya kodo nke ya na this court, this magistrate court. Ihe m bịara bụ ka m hụ otu ihe si aga. Maka okwu a na-ekwu abụkebeghị maka this magistrate court. No. Okwu a na-ekwu ugbu ọrụ ndị a eji kedu ihe ha ga-eme gbasara okwu na-abịa maka Nnamdi Kanu echi. Ile anyị ihe kọtụ kwuru, kọtụ Federal High Court sị taa ka lọya ndị defender Nnamdi Kanu ga-abịa nọkọ dezie ha olu ka e were mara otu Nnamdi Kanu si ga-defend the case. A ga-edesikwa ndị uwe the witnesses mana kịta Aloy, one of the leading counsel Prince Emma Kanu, one of the witnesses, here, along with other witnesses. So immediately know about Ejim there. Ederemakuko to Attorney General of the Police. Ederemakuko to Inspector General of Police. Ederemakuko to Commissioner of Police. We say Ejikwendia. Abuko hanane ojiji. No game ni kwena. Nnamdi Kanu. Utu siga prepare to enter defense because in the prosecution in that case, a mission of matter. The next thing Nnamdi Kanu to enter defense. And the lawyers must to help to prepare him. Now one of the lawyers is now arrested and detained. One of the witnesses arrested and detained. Which means the process of
No. Please talk to people. I mean, you are the convener of this protest. Please, can you give them a brief on how you are see things going, please?
Well, let me thank everybody who came out yesterday across the world. We're not just trying to make a small statement. We want Nnamdi Kanu to be free.
Yes.
He must be free.
It's
non-negotiable.
non-negotiable.
It's non-negotiable.
What I want to say is that because I saying that Yoruba man is fighting for Igbo man.
Longer divide us.
Yes.
They have discovered that this one has come to unite us.
Exactly.
The oppressed.
Exactly.
And that is why they are very worried. And I hope they continue to be worried. Because the voice is loud now.
Exactly.
And we are unstoppable.
Exactly.
And we will ensure that Nnamdi Kanu is free.
Yes.
There's nothing they didn't do to us yesterday, including opening fire on us. So I'm not surprised that today or yesterday they targeted his lawyers. They even said it. The presidential spokesperson Bayo Onanuga said it, that the lawyer had no business protesting.
Imagine.
They were about to release them yesterday on bail because they committed no crime anyways. And then suddenly changed their mind and even attacked us in front of the FCT command. What they are trying to do is that they know they don't have a case. And the lawyer, the lead lawyer, who has been challenging them, they want to put him away. At the time that they said his clients should open his defense. You are the one who said go and open his defense.
Yes.
The lawyer is preparing, but now you are taking the lawyer away so that he cannot prepare for him to open his defense. What we're trying to say is that we got here this morning, and lo and behold, the police has rushed here without letting his lawyers be aware of their client's whereabouts. And the judge, upon discovering that there was no lawyer around, has sent them to kuje prison. That was the goal of the illegal IG, is to send this guy away. That's the goal of Tinubu, to make sure that there are no lawyers to defend him when he returns to court, to open his defense. That is it. That is the tactic you are saying now. And you see that they're also sponsoring propaganda that it was Showore that got them arrested. Yeah. It is part of the propaganda so that they will use that to divide us.
We are used to propaganda.
Yes. And we are used to that. I am here to get Nnamdi Kanu released.
Yes.
And nobody who is being held, including Igbos that were tagged IPOB members, who are all languishing in several detentions, in Wanwa Barrack, in Tiger Base, we will get everybody out.
Yes.
It's either we are free in this country or we ensure that we fight for our independence again.
Exactly.
Yes.
That is
Freedom
why,
or nothing.
That is why I have no apologies. When you hear me say that Nigeria needs a revolution, this is what I mean.
Yes, we need
Because
revolution.
without a revolution, everybody will take you for granted. Even a chicken can take you for granted. Bees, flies, we take you for granted. Rats, we take you for granted. But in this case, we are prepared for whatever it will take. That's why they never thought I could come out yesterday. And they said, after the tear gas, they thought it was over.
Yes.
We protested in this Abuja in
Different
6
locations.
places. Yes. We were imagined in different parts of the city. And with their help, they were able to help us shut down the city.
Exactly.
Even the judge who gave an order that we cannot go to Aso Road could not resume to work yesterday. We hear his own case. So, but just be prepared. Those of you who were afraid this last time or who were convinced not to come out, know that nothing can happen to you if we all unite and mass.
Exactly.
If the mass decide today that we want Nnamdi Kanu release, they will release him.
When people say yes, nobody can say no.
ụmụnne m unu anụgoni ya. Ajụjụ a na-ajụzi kịta bụ ya bụ kọtụ enwere echi oye hold ka ọ normal hold. Nke a the lead counsel Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nọ na Kuje prison, the key witness ya nọ na Kuje prison. Ọ na-abụ na ha mụma wee medete nke a wee na-prolong the whole thing ya. Ihe a sị na enyere ya just from tomorrow till 30th of October to open and close his defense. Or ka the thing wee na-alenga kwanya ka a na-eme ya come today come tomorrow ka wee na-buy time. Kedu ihe wee bụ m n'obi gị ụmụnne m? Nke a ka m fụkwa wee sị ka m wetara ya ọnụ ka enebezie n'anya echi ma ya bụ kọtụ oye hold ka ọ normal hold ma n'ihe ya pụta na ihe a ya ekpete ma ọ bụ na o holduo whichever one ụmụnne m. Ebe a ka m ewetakwala unu ya bụ update. So biko ọ bụrụ na ị follow n'isi my backup page tototo metụtụ m aka na follow button, okay? Ịkabara ka ishare m this video. Udo chikwa na ndụ onye ọbụla and may we succeed. Amen. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.